Hello traders, what's going on? Thanks for tuning in today's YouTube video. Hopefully everybody had a great weekend and that you're ready right now for the new Forex week. What we're going to do in today's video is we're going to have a look on some pairs. So today definitely I got some more pairs for you to analyze, and afterwards you can trade them. Of course, with your strategy, with your trading plan, make sure to stick to your risk management and of course try to get the best risk reward possible, because the risk reward is the most important thing in trading. At the end, the risk reward will make you profitable, because if you're still counting your pips, still looking to get the 100 pips trade, stuff like this, at the end, guys, you will never be profitable, because the risk management should be definitely aligned on the risk reward. And for example, we in the inner circle, we've lost last week several trades. So I'm going to show it to you immediately. And then we just won 2 trades. Okay, 2 trades. And we're back in huge profits. Okay, I'm going to show it to you right now. So for example, the last couple of weeks, since the 1st of June, we've been losing a lot of trades. I mean, I've lost one. That one was not a loss. We cancelled it. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 trades, guys. We've lost 9 trades. And then we won 2 with 9.5 risk reward and 1 with 9 rewards. And at the end, we are 9.5 risk reward and plus. And with a correct risk management of 1, 2 or 3%, the result will rise between 10, 20 or 30% in just half of the month, guys. And this is how risk management should work, and not by counting pips. This is why I didn't even put over here the pips and take profit pips, because I do not care about them. I only look on my risk reward. Here are my screenshots of the trade, so you can look it afterwards. I'm going to show to you also some of the trades that we took. So the 2 good ones I'm going to show you to present you, because I've already shared it with you on TradingView, and hopefully a lot of you could have catch that move with us. Now, okay guys, before I'm going to go into the details of the analysis, what pairs we're going to look for, just a quick check over here on my link tree. Here you can join my public Telegram channel. Here you can also be always notified if I'm posting some new analysis, some new videos, if I'm posting here new results, stuff like that. This is the inner circle. I have currently a minus 40% for the 1 month and a minus 50% for the 1 year pack, guys, so make sure to check it out. This is my mentorship. I'm teaching my strategy that I use. As you all know, I trade with the institutions. It's a smart money concept, and this is where we can get those big risk reward trades. So we've done 9.5 risk reward in the inner circle in just 2 weeks. This is a result which the retail trader can do in a few months or not even. Okay, this is what I teach here in the mentorship program. If you would like to have more details, make sure to check this link out. Then my trusted broker, if you're looking for one, super important, and here you can check out the inner circle results. Okay guys, then I would say let's get it right into the analysis. And what we're going to do today is EURUSD, GBPUSD, USDCAD, EURGBP, and USDJPY. So a lot of pairs, and right now I just wanted to show you the results, the trades that we took in inner circle. So look at this. It was this analysis for the GBPUSD that I shared on TradingView with you guys. It was just very simple trade. It was a supply area, price boom, gave us a smart move to the downside, and look at this, we got an entry at this area and boom, the market dropped 9.5 reward to the downside from our entry, and that was crazy trade, guys. And on the EURUSD, very similar. The problem was I closed a little bit earlier just because of the thing. I just wanted to get my trades that I am closing my profit so that I have it secured. That was my goal that I definitely wanted to do, and I was super happy when I've seen, yeah, EURUSD was already 9 RM profit, so boom, I just closed it. My take profit original was at this level of support, exactly like I explained it over here, but I just closed it a little bit above it, but it's not a problem for us. 9R is still a super risk reward for the EURUSD, guys. Okay, basically that was the trades that we took, and right now, what can we expect right now from the EURUSD? What is going to be the next movement? Now, if you are in my Telegram channel, then I already notified you that we probably will see EURUSD going up before the bearish continuation. Now, the higher time frames, the weekly, monthly, they are definitely bullish. So there's nothing that we need to be concerned about, but the thing is, we cannot go right now bullish on the EURUSD, because that would be just super stupid, because the market can go much more to the downside before the market will go up higher. So this is why we are interested in looking on the lower time frames to see what the market is doing here. And on the daily time frame, for example, guys, I'm looking at this range currently here. So it's a very important level that we have here, and we got over here this level. So the market is moving to the downside since we've tested this area of supply. Okay, so we've tested that area of supply, the market is shifting bearish, and I told you when the market was around that area, hey guys, let's have a look on the EURUSD to look for short opportunities, because the market is building here right now distribution phase, and this is why the market went afterwards to the downside. Now, what we can expect right now? Well, basically, EURUSD should just go down lower, at least till this level over here, and probably even lower. So we have a lot of targets here for the EURUSD, and if this is a clean distribution, then the market should give us here, take profit level till this one, take profit level 2, and technically it is possible that we're going to move down lower till this area over here, and only then I do expect the market from here to then definitely go up higher with the bullish continuation. But right now, we just need to go step by step on the EURUSD to see, react, what kind of information the EURUSD is giving us, because the information, what the charts are representing here, are just the footprints of the banks. And this is why the smart money concept is so strong and powerful, because we can know exactly where they've potentially entered their positions, and this is where we can make those big risk rewards. Now, let's have a look here on the 4 hour. 4 hours right now super important for us, because this is where we're going to look for potential entries. Now, here guys, what I would like to see on the EURUSD is that the market will push up higher. Okay, now we could still see that move down, because here are definitely some areas. Let me check it from the daily time frame. Yeah, from a daily time frame, we are already in a very important liquidity area. Now, what I mean by liquidity is institutions are interested within this area right now where the market is to buy this area, to buy EURUSD. This is why the market here went up higher. Right now we're back at this level, and we can expect another move up. Now, me personally, I'm not that interested in going to go long on the EURUSD. Why? Because the market is currently bearish, and when a market is bearish, the chance is much more higher that the price will go to the downside. And this is why looking for a short is definitely the best option, but not at this area right here. At this area, we could go potentially long, and when we are going to be back at this area, then we can look for a nice short again. So expect a pattern which the market already gave us over here and here to occur here again. That's going to be the idea for the EURUSD right now, guys. The thing is right now, is here enough liquidity to bring the price that much to the upside? Well, this is something which I cannot tell you right now. This is something which we need to see from the charts. So the charts are going to tell us afterwards if the price is ready to push up higher. I'm just telling you what I'm going to do with the inner circle. We're going to look around that area for a nice short again, getting our nice 1 to 10 risk reward, stuff like this, and then we're going to go for a nice short. That's it, guys. More information I cannot give you right now. I just see here a nice area, right? The market didn't test it, and this is why I'm not that interested in going long right now, but we got an area over here and we just faked out a little bit, which is not a problem. The market could still go up higher. So I'm just looking EURUSD like that right now. Let's continue with the GBPUSD. GBPUSD, guys, that's a wonderful distribution phase, what we can see here from the 4-hour. But let's go back to the weekly to determine the overall trend on the GBPUSD. I mean, it's not a surprise, right? It's still bullish. Bullish trend, everybody knows that, we can see it, and this is why the market right now is super cheeky, and it is giving us those corrections to the downside to just collect some more stop losses from the retail traders. Now, we are not retail traders, guys. We know exactly what the banks and institutions are doing within this market, and this is where we know here is a potential short area because the market has been moving from here strong to the downside. Now we're back at this level and we can now expect potentially the market to go to the downside because we are in this range, guys, and I explained it to you multiple times. When the market will close above it, then we can expect bullish continuation for the GBPUSD. If we're going to close below it, then we're going to expect bearish continuation for the GBPUSD. And that's it. Nothing more to add. This is what the weekly is telling us. I can give you another important structure level for the weekly, which is this one over here, exactly at the half of the way. And this is where we cannot go right now for a nice big bearish swing. Now that was my idea when the market was around this area. Okay, then I told you, hey guys, probably GBPUSD will give us movements like this and then this. Right now, I'm more interested in looking to buy GBPUSD from this area, because then the market will just maintain this bullish uptrend, market will just go up higher. That's a possibility, but of course it's not the only single option which GBPUSD has. Let's go to the daily, guys. Let's go to the daily. Now the daily is definitely here, it was bullish, and right now look at this, the market is giving us a clean distribution phase. The institutions are currently accumulating some more positions. This is what we've seen move up, move down, move up, move down. And now look here. If you have the knowledge about how smart money traders are acting within this market, you will still get stop losses hit. That's completely normal because everybody's fighting with each other, and this is why we can never say to 100% if the market will go up or down at this area. We just got a higher probability, and this is why I've tried multiple times on the GBPUSD the last week to trade it. The only one thing is I made a big mistake in the market structure. I mean, everything which I talked to you was correctly, but I just tried to go too early short, and I also tried to go too early long, and this is why I got also faked out within these volatile markets. And that was something which I didn't understand at the beginning because I just thought about, hey guys, I'm just doing my analysis the right way like always. But the thing is, I made a big mistake by doing my bias. My bias was wrong. My bias was that we're going to go up above this area once again and then going for a nice short. And if you have a wrong bias because you're doing something wrong on the market structure, then you're going to get a lot of stop loss hits. And this is why my results looks like that, okay? Here, one of these trades could have been won with 1 to 20 if I would have made the market structure correctly, and then we would have had bigger results, even bigger results. But this is just part of this business. Sometimes it's tricky to figure out the right market structure, and afterwards we're going to be always better and better. Okay guys, then let's continue here with GBPUSD. Now I'm bearish, I'm definitely bearish, but on the 4 hours right now, guys, this market could go much more higher. Right now you got here some resistance. Let's see what the market will do. Here at this area, a lot of retail traders are going to look to short it. I'm going just to wait to see, and probably even going long, because I'm more interested to see the market going up higher till this area over here. And this is my range right now that I'm looking for. Let's see if the market will break it. If we're going to break it, then of course we will see some bearish continuation to the downside. We got another important level over here. And look here, guys, if we are going to break this, we're going to go till this level. If we're going to break this, then we're going to go lower. Then we're going to be in this range here. Okay, so those three levels that we can see right now are important for us traders. I'm more than likely right now looking for potential buying opportunity to see the market going up higher. If we're going to break this, then again, bullish continuation. And if not, then from here, very nice short movements. And this is currently my bias. I expect GBPUSD to go very strong to the downside when we are going to hit it once again. But probably we will not even do it, because this is why my initial trade take profit was much more lower, because I was expecting the market to break this level very clean. It did not, because of the liquidity is not giving right now, and probably we will respect this area of resistance right now. But let's see. It's something right now a little bit difficult to figure it out, but the safest way right now is to wait on GBPUSD, to not trade it, because if you're going to go right now straight into shorts, I mean, yes, you can do it. Probability is just a little bit too low, and this is why me personally, I'm not interested in that setup. Then USDCAD, that trade really, that one would have been my trade, guys. That's super annoying, because I was looking for a nice long, and damn, my setup was not correctly. I didn't try it again, and that was my failure, because afterwards the market, look at this, boom, strong move up. So I had a very tight entry. But right now, let's just continue with the analysis. Now here on USDCAD, that's a clean accumulation phase. So I would like to see the market right now going up, probably even till this level over here. The next one will be definitely here. And yeah, this is where we should always trade from zone to zone. So now I'm just looking for the market to give me some stronger move downs, so I can get a better entry for a nice long setup. This is what I'm looking right now. Okay, I can give you some areas. This one is super important for me. Here I'm going to look for potential buying opportunities. For me, bullish is definitely confirmed, but don't be too focused on that, because the market could eventually still correct more to the downside. It's not 100% clear, of course. Nothing in the Forex market is 100% clear, but for me, it looks super obvious that we're going to go much more higher right now, that the market will give us right now some correction based on this impulse, right? This is how I'm looking at it. EURGBP. Oh damn, it's been a long while since I've been looking at the EURGBP, but look at this. Analysis are still on point. I was expecting market to give us bearish continuation till this level over here, and this is why right now I'm super interested in the EURGBP again, because we got a new range. It's this one over here, guys. It's the range that I'm looking for on the weekly time frame. EURGBP is still bullish, but from the daily, yeah, also from the daily, still bullish. Look at this, that's my range on the daily. And the 4 hours are still bearish. Now, what I would like to see right now is the market to give us strong move down till this area over here. And then from this area, I will look to buy EURGBP. So the idea right now is to go short. Okay, because I know that's a high level of liquidity. The market already tested the level. I would like to see the market testing this level once again before afterwards it will give us this movement over here. Okay, so let me check here the 4-hour levels. Yeah, also here I would like to get higher prices, so I'm expecting the market to go up higher till this level, and then afterwards strong move down. Very simple ID. This is what I see on the EURGBP. Yeah, then the last one, USDJPY. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, USDJPY, basically I'm more bearish than bullish, but short term is still bullish, so we need to trade it long. I traded it the last week also, but I didn't post that trade in the inner circle, and it was a 12-hour trade. No, 13-hour trade. I only shared it with the mentorship group just a quick reminder from Mentorship, you will also get all the analysis very detailed, how I'm looking at it. You will not get signals in the Mentorship, you will get the analysis with the rules that you need to apply. Everything is also in my channel. You just need to check out the rules. I'm writing you down, hey yo guys, you need to wait for that rule to occur, and then you can get your nice tight entry. And that's it. It's something similar like signals, but more in an educational way, because I would like to learn you really how to trade like me. And that's why I will not send their stop loss entry stuff like this. Or sometimes I will share it on USDJPY, for example. I did. That was a clean signal with 13R. I also wrote down when I closed it. Yeah, but most of the times I only send analysis, and you need to do your job afterwards, okay? But still here to help you guys. Okay, USDJPY definitely bullish from the weekly, but the market can give us right now sharp movements to the downside. This is what I'm looking for right now. Look here on the daily, the market is currently accumulating the positions for a bearish continuation. And yeah, this is why I'm looking also here on the USDJPY for the market to push up a little bit higher. So looking right now for buying opportunities, and then afterwards for a nice short. This is what I would like to see for the USDJPY, guys. Yeah, that's it for today's video. If you have any questions, just write them down in the comment section below. Let me know what you think about this video. It will really help me out. Just type in the pairs that you want me to cover up in the next video. I'm going to analyze right now much more pairs than I did previously. This is a new kind of series right now, guys. I just try to analyze much more pairs because smart money concept over here works on every single pair on fleek. So I'm super happy with the strategy. Hopefully you also find it helpful, because yeah, I send it also here on TradingView with the YouTube analysis. I always share with you my bias that I have, and this is something which will help you a lot if you know how to deal with it. So yeah, that's basically it. Just a quick summary. EURUSD and GBPUSD, I expect the market to go a little bit higher before afterwards we will see that nice drop. USDCAD is definitely bullish, but also here I would like to see the market giving us a nice drop before we're going to go for a nice long. EURGBP, I would like to see the market going a little bit higher before I'm going to go for a nice short. And the USDJPY, I would like to see a nice long before I'm going to go afterwards for a nice short. Yeah guys, don't forget about the special for the inner circle. You can currently save 40 till 50% on the monthly and on the yearly package. Yeah, then you can join me trading. You will get everything in the Telegram channel, stop loss, entry, take profit of the trades that I take, basically my trading journal. And yeah, that's it guys. See you then in the next video. Please leave a like if you like this video, and see you then in the next one. Bye bye.